Let's talk about field data types. The field data type is determined by the first entered value. For example, if we enter 1, you'll see that the field data type is set to bit integer. If we try to enter something else, like C, get an error. If we enter a decimal, like 1.2, get a double type. If you enter a string like Man United, again we see the type is string. That means that we can enter anything we want. But despite that we're entering the number, they will be treated as strings. Another thing, important thing to mention is working with dates. In order to determine if the field is date, the data must be entered in standard DBC format. For example, 05, 01. So it is the date. We can see the field types by looking at the metadata. Field metadata, so we need to press F6 to see it. Here it is. Or we can go to metadata dialog. Actually, we can't go to metadata dialog to see it. Sorry about the confusion. So anyway, I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and ask them. We will do our best to help you. And if you want to load data from QVD files, please give a try to our advanced ETL processor. Thank you and bye.